Hi everyone, let's try to understand the concept of tangent and normal. So first we will try to understand what is tangent. Okay, so tangent is what? Like suppose this is your given curve, okay, and particular point P पे if some line is passing जो कि तुम्हें point P को touch करते हुए जा रही है, ठीक है, that is your tangent. Are you getting my point? So this is called your tangent. The tangent is a line, okay, particular curve को एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे क्या कर रही है, टच करते हुए जा रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेंजेंट. ओके, एंड टेंजेंट जिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे टच करते हुए जा रहा है उसी पॉइंट पर अगर मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी, ओके, उसी पॉइंट से एक दूसरी लाइन क्रॉस कर रही है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड योर नॉर्मल. ओके, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर कि ये तुम्हारा क्या होगा, नॉर्मल, एंड ये तुम्हारा क्या होगा, टेंजेंट. और जहां पे टेंजेंट टच करता है दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ टेंजेंसी. ओके, सो दिस इज अ पॉइंट पी, तो ये पॉइंट यहाँ पी है, ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ टेंजेंसी, दैट इज पी. तो पी के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी दिस डिस्टेंस. ओके, so this is a y distance, okay, and this part is going to be your x distance. Okay, so from this diagram we just understood what is tangent. टेंजेंट मतलब जो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर उन्होंने पूछा है उससे टच करते हुए जो लाइन जाती है दैट इज योर टेंजेंट. एंड पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट जहां पर आपने टेंजेंट निकाला है उस पे एक आप परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हो, दैट इज योर नॉर्मल. तो यानी आप जो नॉर्मल वाली लाइन रहेगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी परपेंडिकुलर ऑन व्हाट, on your tangent. Okay, so this line is going to be the perpendicular on your tangent. Okay, and what is the point of tangency, where tangent we found, like p पे हम tangent पता कर, that is your x and y is called point of tangency. Okay, so to understand it more, like और समझना है तुम्हें रियल वर्ल्ड की प्रॉब्लम को समझना है कि रियल में हम सब चीज़ें कहाँ यूज करते हैं. So I have 2 to 3 articles, let's try to see it. So first article you can see from Wikipedia. So here on this slide you can read lot of about tangent and normal, everything क्या होते हैं, so you can go through all the history. So I will not recommend कि go through it with this. So basically I will recommend to understand this concept. Just see this, this is going to help you. Now just you can observe here, red is your normal actually, you can try to see it. Okay, so this is your normal, and so particular point is point पे, this is going to, this is the just blue line, it is going to be your tangent. Okay, and this red line is going to be your normal. Okay, normal is what, particular point पे जहाँ पे तुमने tangent draw किया वहां से एक perpendicular line, that is going to be your normal. So hope this is going to help you. Okay, so this is just a nice animation to explain you what is a tangent and what is a normal. Okay, if you want to you can go to this website and you can get more information about this thing. Okay, so now you can see it. So whenever you are drawing the tangent you will get the normal as well. Okay, so now in this diagram you can see it, here you can see it. If you have a curve this, so if you like this is a tangent of the curve. Okay, and so this line, this is called normal of the curve. Okay, so and this is a perpendicular. Okay, so you can understand this diagram, like this diagram is easy to understand. So if you want you can copy this diagram, this diagram is going to help you. Okay, so apart from this thing, so let me tell you what is a real application. So on this website they have written a very nice application. सो फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि हम टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल कॉन्सेप्ट को कहाँ कहाँ फील करते हैं. तो इफ द रोड इज लाइक दैट, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. if your road is like that, like if road is curve, you can understand this road. And suppose करो if something has happened, like ऑयल है या सम स्लिपरी टाइप का रोड है तुम्हारा, तो अगर उस टाइम में तुम्हारा एक्सीडेंट होगा, अगर तुम इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे रहोगे तो तुम यहाँ से किस डायरेक्शन में जाओगे, इस डायरेक्शन में तो मूव करोगे नहीं, मतलब अगर तुम्हारा एक्सीडेंट या समथिंग स्लिपरी होता है तो यू हैव टू गो ऑन दिस लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन में जाओगे, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी योर टेंजेंट। ओके, एंड क्यों जाते हो, बिकॉज यहाँ से एक एक्सटर्नल फोर्स लग रहा है, दैट इज योर नॉर्मल। ओके, तो सेम थिंग दे हैव रिटन हियर, if you are traveling in a car around a corner, we drive over something slippery on the road. So in that case, if something is happened, so a कहाँ पे जाएगा, straight वाले direction में तुम जाने वाला, ऐसा नहीं कि तुम इधर जाने वाला। So this thing you can assume as a tangent, and so this is happened due to this normal. So this is perpendicular this thing. Okay, so second application is what? Suppose if you are if you have any ball or anything, you can say, okay sir, track in a car or anything you can say actually. So if suppose if you are moving is a round, it's happening in very fast. Okay, बहुत तेजी से कर रहे हो, तो अचानक अगर आप किसी भी पॉइंट पे अगर आप छोड़ोगे इसको, मतलब लीव करोगे, तो वो सीधे उसी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, that is going to be your tangent, and that is happening due to this force. Okay, and that thing you can understand that is going to be your normal. Okay, so let me take, so now try to understand here. So now they are asking the find the gradient. Gradient means what? Now understand, I did not explain this, so let me move to here. That is they are asking about the slope. ये जो तुम्हारा line है, एक कितना एंगल बना रहा है, suppose this is your, let me tell you, suppose this is your, just imagine this is your line. Okay, so एक कितना bent हुआ है with x axis. Okay, that is your slope. So we need to find the slope of tangent. Okay, we need to find the slope of tangent. So how can you find out the slope of tangent? So to find the slope concept, we have studied in the first chapter of derivative. Slope is nothing, is like a derivative. What we do? Derivative at particular point. So we have to just decide it कि किस point पे तुम्हें slope चाहिए. So in this case they have given x and y. तो हमें slope किस point पे निकालना है, x and y पे निकालना है. Okay, so I hope I'm like मैं थोड़ा सा picture तुम्हारे सामने clear कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, so let me take a simple example, then you can understand easily. तो suppose करो this is y is equal to 3x plus 4 है. So this is your given function. So suppose करो this is a given function. Now they are asking, so let me draw the figure. So suppose करो this is your curve, and suppose करो this is a particular point P, and point they have given like 3 and 1. Okay, this point is given. So on this point we find the slope. So now they are asking that what is a theta, that means what is a theta. So how can you find the theta? So we have this function. ये तुम्हारा कर्व किसका है, एक कर्व तुम्हारा y is equal to f of x का है. So now we have to find out the slope. ये तुम्हारा एंगल थीटा कितना है, तो that means what we need to find the m tan theta. तो we can't find डायरेक्टली ना, सो डायरेक्टली हम स्लोप नहीं निकाल पाते. तो हमें कॉन्सेप्ट किसका सिखाया, डेरिवेटिव का सिखाया गया कि जो भी फंक्शन तुम्हारा दिया गया उसका डिफरेंशिएट करो, यानी इस फंक्शन का ग्राफ दिया है तो वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट, यानी वी वुड फाइंड dy by dx, दैट इज योर स्लोप. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा, 3 मिलेगा. ओके, दैट इज योर स्लोप. सो अब इस केस में तुम x y मिला होता तो तुम्हें यहाँ पे x के प्लेस पे 3 पुट करते, y के प्लेस पे 2 पुट करते. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, सपोज करें कि y इज इक्वल टू तुम्हें 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x मिला है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर गिवन फंक्शन. सो समहाउ दिस इज अ कर्व ऑफ दिस फंक्शन, एंड सपोज करो दिस इज अ पॉइंट P, 6 and 1 लिखा हुआ है. सो ऑन दिस पॉइंट यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्लोप of this tangent. So how you will find, you have to differentiate this part. Why you are differentiating? Because we know that this is a slope, this is slope of this tangent. So we have to, this is a slope, so it is going to be the 6x plus 6. But now they are asking about this point, so instead of x we'll put 6, on the place of y we'll put 1. So, but we don't have y, so we will not put, we will directly put 6 and 1. तो x यहाँ पे 6 पुट करोगे, 6 into 6 plus 6, that is going to be the 42. Okay, so that is the idea. So if you see on Wikipedia page, वहाँ पे भी यही सब चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं. So let me move to the Wikipedia page. लेबनिट्ज ने ये बात बताई थी आपको, I think यहाँ पर मैंने कहीं पर तो पढ़ा था. So you can go through this blocks you can understand easily. So now similarly, if you can understand here, so now I can give you more clarity. Suppose this is a given, so now they are asking about what is the slope. Okay, now they are asking about what is the slope. So how can you understand? So this is a given function, so this is a given function. Suppose करो इसका कर्व तुम्हारा ऐसे बन जाता है, ठीक है. तो in particular point मतलब what, this is a point P. तो on x axis they have 2 and y axis they have 5. So on this particular point, so suppose this is a tangent we draw. So now they are asking about what is the slope. So how can you find the slope? So we have studied in the first lecture of derivative, that is a dy by dx, and y, that is a, ये तुम्हारा कर्व किसके लिए बनाया, तुमने इस y के लिए बनाया ना, तो you have to differentiate it this part. So if you differentiate it part, that is going to be 3x square, ठीक है, माइनस ऑफ 4x और 5 का 0 हो जाएगा. ओके, यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट, बट दे आर आस्किंग टू द पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल पुट द x के प्लेस पे 2 पुट करोगे, y के प्लेस पे तुम 5 पुट करोगे, बट वी डोंट हैव y, सो डोंट वरी. तो dy by dx is going to be what? Okay, just put the value 3 of 2 square 4 and 2. So you will solve and you got 4. So this is what, this is just gradient of tangent. So still I am talking only about the tangent. Okay, I'm not talking about the normal. So let me explain the normal. Okay, so now just understand, this is a one line. Okay, for let me explain here. So you got my point, I think. This is your curve. This is your curve, and particular point you draw the tangent. Okay, and this is a one line. So you got the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? dy by dx. Okay, if y is given f of x, so you can understand the slope is going to be this. And so what about this slope? This is this, suppose करो this is m2, suppose करो this is m1, तो इसका भी तो slope होगा. So how can you find out? Just try to understand, this line and this line are perpendicular. Whenever they are perpendicular, their slope का product जो रहेगा, that is going to be the -1. Okay, so now you find out m1, you want what, m2. तो m2 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Slope of this line, that is slope of what? Slope of normal is going to be what? Slope of normal is going to be minus of 1. What is the value of m1? You got dy by dx. So this thing is going to slope of normal. So in this session we learned about what is tangent, what is the normal, and then we seen about how to find slope of tangent and how to find slope of normal. Okay, you can see more example here. Okay, so you can go to this website and you got a lot of example on this website. Okay, and so normally now you can understand. So this is your got, this is a dy by dx you got. So now you find you need the slope of tangent, sorry, slope of normal. Then how will you know that m1 m2 is equal to -1, and you got the value of m1. Okay, the m2 is going to be what? Minus of 1 divided by m1, and what is the m1 ki value? 4. So m2 is going to be the -1 by 4. So this is a slope of normal, and this is a slope of, yeah, great, it is a slope of tangent. Okay, so if you visit on, you can get more example on this site. Hope आपको चीजें समझ में आ गई हो. तो always what I do, देखो आप ना कभी भी किसी चीज पे डिपेंड मत रहो. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्स अवेलेबल ऑन इंटरनेट. ओके, तुम इसको स्टडी कर सकते हो, ठीक है, वो तुम्हें हेल्प करेगा. सो हम लोग भी यही करते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. हम बहुत रिसर्च करते हैं चीज़ों को आपको ईजी बनाने के लिए. ओके, so you can go on this website. So there is a one more question you can see here. So they have given one thing. So you will see this, how to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. That will be in the next session we will see it. Okay, so you can go on this website and you can see this very nice animation to understand the normal and what is the tangent. Okay, and to understand the more about the tangent and normal, there is a very nice animation is given on this Wikipedia. Okay, so you can read it if you have time. Otherwise just focused on what is the tangent, what is the normal, and how to find the slope of tangent, and how to find normal of the, and how to find slope of normal. Okay, so we'll see in the next session.